Mastering phrasal verbs. Get away, unveiled. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering phrasal verbs. Today, we're tackling a common but versatile phrasal verb, get away. We'll look into its different meanings and usages in various contexts. So buckle up, and let's get away with our journey. Get away is a phrasal verb which can take on several meanings depending on its use and context. Generally, it's often used to mean escape, take a holiday or vacation, or to express disbelief. For example, to escape from a situation or place. The thief tried to get away, but the police caught him. Or, to take a vacation or a break. We decided to get away for a week and booked a beach house. Or, to express disbelief or shock. He ate the whole pizza by himself? Get away! When using get away, it's important to keep the context in mind as it can significantly change the meaning. In daily conversations, people use it more frequently to talk about vacations or breaks. In more dramatic situations, it could mean escape or leaving a location. The usage to express disbelief is less common and mostly used in British English. Another tip is that get away is a separable phrasal verb, which means the object can come between get and away. For example, I need to get the weekend away to relax. But note that when the object is a pronoun, it, him, her, etc., it must go in the middle. Let's get it away from here. Now that we've learned about get away, it's time to practice. I'll provide some fill-in-the-blank sentences, and you try to complete them using get away. 1. I can't believe he managed to underscore with lying to the teacher. 2. I just need to underscore for a while and clear my head. 3. She didn't want to discuss the matter further and tried to underscore. Try to practice these and make up some of your own. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. And that's a wrap on our lesson on the phrasal verb, get away. It might take some time to get away with using it perfectly, but with practice, you'll get there. Remember, understanding and mastering phrasal verbs is a crucial step in becoming proficient in English. So keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. See you in the next video.